Winners. Yeah, you save it for when I'm here. Yeah, exactly. Should be about time we get some fireballs and something goes wrong. Let's spin a wheel. Last seconds, guys. Hope you checked out X Chaser and Storm Chaser. Yeah, I respect my hosts. Your hosts. Who's your host? All right, big spin. Need something big, okay? Okay. Wink. Sorry, host. One host. Oh, I wonder who that is. Well, guys, we're gonna have a leaf. 1-1 payout. We got another leaf. 557 winners. You can place the bets for the next round. Yeah, the highest multiplier today was 2,200x on Monster Mash. And you realize gambling is just luck. No need to blame the dealer. Oh, those are actually some very wise words. Good that you're understanding that. Appreciate it, you know. All right, anyways, guys, the wheel's spinning. Here we go. And the next message, you're unlucky for everyone. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I place bets in your place? All right, let's see what we have. Come on. 19. Good, we got a wheels multiplier. 4.
It's the Monster Mash.
4x wheels multi on a Monster Mash. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. Well, let's... what was the word? Quadruple?
It was a graveyard.
Everything?
It caught on and
Good luck. Let's see what we gonna have here, guys. 16 on legs. Ooh, global 4x on body.
the bedroom of the vampire's feast. Ghouls all came
Excuse me?
to get a jolt from my electrode.
864x the total multi.
It was a graveyard.
Well, how's that for unlucky? Bro, what? 200 on head, just casually. Yeah. You know what? Yeah. Good job. Enjoy. Good luck, guys. Here we go.